Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about 3 simple steps to reduce your risk of heart attack is a life-threatening condition that can strike anyone, anywhere, anytime. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of this deadly event. In this video, we'll share with you 3 simple but effective ways to protect your heart and keep it healthy. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in determining your risk of a heart attack. To reduce your risk, focus on eating a diet that's low in saturated fat, trans fat, and cholesterol. Instead, opt for foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Incorporate lean protein sources such as fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption. By making these dietary changes, you can lower your cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy weight, which are important for a healthy heart. Get regular exercise. Physical activity is another key factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Exercise helps improve your cardiovascular health, lower your blood pressure, and reduce your risk of a heart attack. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or jogging. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase your intensity and duration over time. Manage stress. Stress is a common trigger for heart attacks, so it's important to find ways to manage it. Some effective stress-reducing techniques include deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature. It's also essential to get enough sleep and take time to engage in activities you enjoy. By reducing your stress levels, you can lower your risk of heart attack and improve your overall well-being. In conclusion, by making these 3 simple changes to your lifestyle, eating a heart-healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress, you can significantly reduce your risk of a heart attack. Remember, prevention is key, and taking care of your heart is one of the best things you can do for your health and longevity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.